Hi, it's me again with Corel Dual Tips and Tricks, part 2. I just backed up, so if you didn't watch the first one, you'll kind of miss out. But this is still a polygon shape. I can actually take and right click and turn this into a curve, and then we can move this, and look what it's doing. It's making my polygon shaped curve. We can play with it quite a bit. We can really make it look unique, but we're not doing anything special, because we let Corel in the Polygon tool do that. So we're going to do the same thing we did, just to show you what it's going to look like. We're going to get the interactive fill tool, and we're going to go from, make this one dark. I'm just dragging colors. It's too dark for me up top, so we can even put that all the way to the top. You could bring that up like this, but I like a rich red on both, on this end. So I'm just bringing in colors and dropping them on the line. You'll see a plus sign appear when you hit the line. So we're going to do the same thing. We're still working from the center of the page. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the color. Doesn't look like it is. Sometimes if you don't hit the X, that happens. Rotate it. I don't know that I made a copy, but I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees, and I did. And then Control D and go 120. Control D, Control D, Control D. Looks like, well, I'm not real happy with this part. Let's back up here and see if we can't change that part. Because we're working with this shape, and it's no longer going to be a polygon on this one line I drew, I can make that line curve, and I can just curve it to this one. So I'm going to take my shape tool, and I'm going to add a node right there and a node right there. I think I jiggled it a little bit. Node right there. And then I'm going to make these two a curve. Well, I'm going to make all of them a curve. I'm just selecting them, right-clicking them, and turn them into a curve. And then I'm going to take this line and give a little bit of a curve to it. Don't really know how it's going to look yet until you do it. And that's how you learn, is just playing around. Smart fill. Got a leak. Remember I said I messed up? Right there is my leak. Just take my smart fill or my shape tool back and put it right there. Shouldn't leak again, and it doesn't. Now I'm going to take the interactive fill tool and go from there to there. And let's add some, I think it looks better in black. We could add some red, even a little bit more. Then we're still working the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it, move it to the center, rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. That, it looks good right here, but it, you know what? It didn't work because of my, this is in, let's go here and go object, order, back a page, and look at that. Object, order. So I should have started off and just redone that whole shape. Order, back a page. I think one more, and I think I'll have it. Order, back a page. It kind of looks like a twisted ribbon. I'm not ecstatic about it, but you could just keep playing with it till it came out better. I would maybe even take this and go, straight up in here and have this piece just go behind it. It's still a cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.